Here's how to print your dog on a t-shirt. At the top of the Sticker Mule homepage, click Tools and select Trace. Now upload a photo of your dog. Trace will automatically remove the background from your photo. Once the photo has processed, you'll see that the background is transparent. Let's click Download to save the result. From here, we can create our t-shirt by clicking Order, selecting T-shirts, choosing our preferred options, adding it to our cart, and checking out. Or, let's back it up and take this a step further by using Redraw to turn this puppers into an illustration. Since we already downloaded and saved our image, the next step is to click Tools and this time select Redraw. Now let's upload the result we downloaded from Trace. Now click Checkout to order the redraw. Once you receive and approve your proof, the vector file will be available in your artworks. Click View All Artworks and select the doggo. If you'd like, you can rename the file by clicking Edit. Below the artwork, select Custom T-shirts. Now choose your favorite shirt color. I think I like orange the best. And choose your size. And finally, choose your preferred artwork position. I'm going to go with full front. Now click Continue to add the shirt to your cart. Then click Checkout to finalize your order. And that's it!